ring dies. So Rachel waked up and we might play ring shot. So whoever wins the race 2 times doesn't win. We just switch to ring shot. And switch again when we won.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel. Forget like and subscribe.
Now we're gonna start now. So Mommy got a yellow ring and Jacob got
Blue.
So what are we gonna do with these rings?
We throw it on top of this, like that.
And whoever,
Throw it on there.
like that? Okay.
Throw it.
All right. It's your turn first.
Me first.
Okay.
Let's try this side. Oh, your turn. Wait, I can pick up this. Now your turn, Mom.
From here, Mommy threw the ring over
You
there.
go there and you throw it over there. Mom.
No, I think I start from here, babe. And then I throw the ring over there.
Okay.
What do you think? Are you ready? Ah, I missed. Now your turn. You stay that way and then you throw it. Yeah, it's okay. Because you're tiny. Wow, that's way too close. All right. 1 point for Jacob. Mommy is 0. All right. My turn. Are you ready? I missed again. How about Jacob? Ah, you are way too close. But that's okay for now, right? All right. Now I go on the other side now. Okay? And then you're gonna throw your ring on this side. Sound good? What color is my rings?
Blue.
I get blue now?
Uh-huh.
And what about yours? What
When
color?
you won, you switch it back to me, okay?
Okay, when I won.
Uh-huh.
All right.
2 times in a row. Closer, Mom.
Okay, now you go on the other side and check if I shoot this ring or not. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready?
Ready, go.
Steady. Shoot! No! Did I miss it?
Yeah.
I did! Oh,
One more
man. One more time, or your turn. I think your turn, right? Okay. You're way too close, man. No, just one. And then now is my
Your
turn.
turn.
Okay, now is my turn.
I switch.
Okay. Now is my turn. Are you ready? Move a little bit. Ready?
Go.
Steady.
Go.
Ah! I am not good at this. I missed. All right. We do it one more time? Okay.
You first. Yeah, I didn't make it. Your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
All right.
I make it 1 point.
Okay.
I got 2 points.
You got 2 points? All right, let's go. Oh, no. I am not good at this.
Daddy got that there. But
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
But you're way too close, though. Can you move a little bit farther?
no. I'm tiny.
Okay. Here, Mommy's turn now. Hang on.
Yeah.
Ah, you got it. You're way too close. All right. Now is my
That's a
turn. I'm gonna
little.
try. How about closer? I'm gonna go closer a little bit. All right.
Wait, I might pick this up for you.
Thank you.
I'll go closer by right there.
Oh, you want me to go closer
Uh-huh.
so I can shoot?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so nice of you, but it's okay. Mommy gonna try from here only, okay? From here to there. Sound good?
I might block it.
What's that bird?
That's a cock. Cock, cock, cock.
Cock, cock, cock. It's a hawk.
Hawk.
Is it?
I'm gonna
Where did it
block
go?
now. I'm gonna block it.
Okay, excuse me.
I'm gonna block it. You can go now. You can go now.
Excuse me, baby.
You can go now.
Oh! I got it finally, but you hit your hand. Now your turn.
No, you win it.
One more time. Okay, you ready? Ready?
Let's go.
Steady.
Go!
Ah. That one is a good shot, but you touch it, but it's okay.